Due process requires the government to offer certain procedural protections before it can deprive someone of a property interest. Property interests can be created by statute. For example, Congress has required that some government employees be discharged for cause. Such legislation grants the employee a property interest in continued employment. If Congress creates the property interest, can Congress also define which procedural protections must be provided? In Arnett v. Kennedy, a fired employee wants greater procedural protections than Congress allowed. The employee claims due process supports his quest. Wayne Kennedy worked for the Office of Economic Opportunity, a federal agency. The agency notified Kennedy it planned to fire him for cause. It claimed Kennedy falsely accused his boss of bribery. The agency offered Kennedy the chance to respond, orally or in writing, to the charged conduct. Kennedy's boss would act as the decision-maker. Kennedy claimed the agency's plan was unlawful because he had a right to a trial-type pre-termination hearing before an impartial decision-maker. Kennedy wanted to confront the witnesses against him. The agency didn't offer a hearing and went ahead with the firing. Kennedy sued the agency's director, alleging that due process entitled him to a pre-termination hearing. A federal statute, the Lloyd-La Follette Act, granted civil service employees certain job security rights and provided a limited set of procedural protections. A pre-termination hearing wasn't one of the procedural protections guaranteed by the statute. The district court held that the procedures authorized by the Act were unconstitutional. The district court reasoned that failing to provide a pre-termination hearing denied Kennedy due process. The agency appealed to the United States Supreme Court.